Max.
Live, local and at home. Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kaumā iwa ira ono ki whangare nei, iwa te kaumā iwa ira tahi tū atu I hikurangi, mori nei te iwi Ngāti Hine FM.
Here we are. Morena!
Morena!
Hete iwi!
Yes, Morena team, we are back live on the social media airwaves, back on the line. It's good to see you all. It's good to see your faces. Jump in the comment section and run it up, team, because I feel like I haven't heard from you in ages. So if you're in the comment section,
Run it up.
Morena, run it up.
Morena! It's a new year, no, it's not a new team.
Yeah.
No, it's not a new studio.
It's 2020 you, Marcia.
Yeah.
Oh,
2020
kia ora.
you.
Yes, it's
Kia ora.
new year, new you, and all of that.
Yes, and how are we?
Well, where's our background? Got any background music?
Oh yeah.
Welcome to the good life.
That's right. I forgot how to work this.
Yeah.
Where's the buttons?
Where is everything?
Oh, there we are. Bring it back in the back.
Oh,
The backing.
I
Yeah.
know my hoki mai. We've been on a bit of a hara day. We've still been on the airwaves.
That's right, but just a little bit of a slower
Yes,
show.
but we've been still going here, there, and some of us going here, there, and everywhere, and some of us
Yes.
staying planted.
What I forgot to mention to everybody on the airwaves in the last week or two is that although I've been here doing my little show, I've actually very much injured my little bird wing, or what do I call it? My bird paw, my bird feather.
It's a lip.
Yes.
You're an actual flamingo now.
I'm an actual flamingo. I'm upper body huge, and I am tiny little toothpick legs.
Can I
now.
tell you something?
Well, I was going for more flamingos stand on one leg, but
Yeah,
hey.
Okay.
Yeah, he's like, because they're pink. I get it.
No, I've hurt my leg, guys. Christmas Eve, that's right. Having a great night out with my whānau whānui.
Yeah.
And some random guy in the
Ugh.
street wanted to come up and show his strength and try to lift the bird off the ground.
That's where fame took you.
yeah.
You know, and what happened was he tried to lift me off the ground, a little tiny little 20-year-old skinny guy, and I wish I was violent, because I'm not. And I made sure he was okay, yet he ruptured my knee. If you're at home, take your knee, put your right hand on your right kneecap, and then move
Got it.
it about 10 centimeters up your thigh. That's where the kneecap landed.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And shake a lot about.
And
Yeah.
yeah. So Christmas Day, had surgery in hospital for Christmas.
Ah, Merry
Boxing Day,
Christmas.
and then came home Boxing Day night, which was actually quite good. But still, all the plans for holidays out the window.
You know,
window.
obviously that's not how you want to spend your Christmas.
No.
But I saw the feast that your whānau brought in for you, and that looked bloody beautiful.
They did.
Yeah.
So everyone had, the Christmas. You know, everyone has Christmas eats, and everyone has the power and everything. So Mum brought up the full shebang as I was
Yeah, it
in
looked
surgery.
yum.
I got out of surgery at 11:20 Christmas night, and then go back to the room, and I hadn't eaten since 8:30 p.m. Christmas Eve.
Because
when
you have to
we
be,
were out, Mark.
Yes.
because you have to be nil by mouth for
Correct.
the anesthetic. Yeah.
So I was hungry, but then I said, "Oh, can I please just eat the food? I'm really, really hungry." And the lady was like, "Oh, like I've seen the feast. The feast is stunning." But she said, "If you eat it now, you're gonna, you'll be sick."
Yeah.
So I had my Christmas feast at 4 a.m. that morning, and it was one bite and out it goes.
Ah.
Couldn't do it.
Oh no!
No, terrible.
Too many painkillers in there.
Oh, they were giving me everything.
Yeah.
Tramadol.
Oh.
And you feel like you just
Panadol.
Panadol, Tramadol,
Yes, you've been putting the dole in tramadol.
codeine. It was a cocktail of painkillers.
Kia ora. It was
Yes.
fitting as it happened after our great night of cocktails.
It was a great night. That's the issue. It was such a great
Yeah,
night.
it looked fun. I
And
seen.
this happened just so fast.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like we were there, and then next minute we've gone, and
You had just finished doing a
we're
TikTok.
probably in the car park.
I think you were actually in the car park.
Yeah, because I messaged Marcia. Oh, what happened? She's like, I don't know. It happened after we left. I was like, oh no.
Yeah, it was terrible. So
Aye.
we're currently, if you can't, you can hear at home. My knee is currently bent at 30 degrees,
Yes.
and by 4 weeks' time, it'll be at 90 degrees.
Oh,
so a
heck.
straight up and down.
Yeah.
You've got a big contraption
Got the
thingy
old
on your
moon
leg.
boot.
I've got a big locks brace on my leg to keep the knee from bending any more than it can. So that's as far as it'll go.
Yeah.
Can't you take it off at all?
You can take it off to
Have a wash.
your leg,
I was just gonna say.
but you have to keep it on the
Yeah.
whole time.
Oh my.
But when you take it off, it's like a imagine like a toothpick,
Mm.
and then it's got this big potato head on it in the middle. It's weird, and my leg
Potato
is
head
weird.
toothpick.
Yeah,
I got
but we're doing okay. We're going to be okay.
Yes.
there's
Kia
this,
ora.
this fact I can't get out of my head since you mentioned flamingos,
Okay.
and I was like waiting for my chance to get in there.
Yes.
But you know, flamingos how they're standing. You
Yes.
know where you think their knee is.
Oh yes, we've had this.
Oh, really?
Yes. No,
That's-
that caught
But
it
carry
on.
on.
That's their heel.
I thought it was the ankle.
That's
Yeah,
their
well.
ankle.
Isn't that weird, though? That is weird.
Yeah,
Then you
maybe I
do-
heard
you
it here.
Are a
I am a
flamingo.
flamingo. I'm currently hurt my ankle.
Kia ora.
Yeah, isn't
Yeah.
it strange?
Maybe I heard it here, and that's why it's like.
But then, so the bottom part of is there. What was that be then?
It's like a like how dinosaur feet are. Like it's like the bottom, their feet
Jig,
like that,
jig,
and then up
yeah.
like that, and then they got the claw at the top. Like that.
Ah,
It's like that, but without the claw.
Ah.
Got it.
Because when I
Got
last
it
saw a
now.
dinosaur, yeah.
I was thinking I wasn't great at drawing dinosaurs either. But what's been going on in your hood? Te whare
Yes.
ruka.
Oh, just the usual. We just been chilling.
Just been buying up property all over.
Yeah.
I
Whangarei.
love that.
We just been buying. You know how it is. Investors. We're all investors. No, we've just been we're getting so mum and dad they move into their whare this weekend. Well,
Oh, cool.
Oh wow.
my auntie, my mum's sister, and her partner are moving into the whare.
Ooh.
And then we move into our whare on February the 11th.
Oh, wow, that's so.
Yeah,
When
so-
you look at it, that's quite like,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
a couple of weeks away.
Yeah, and also I've got a baby
Chat.
due in a couple of weeks too.
I forgot about
I
that.
just forgot
Yes.
about that. For some reason, I keep thinking your wife is just always pregnant.
Yeah,
Like,
she
she's
seems
kinda-
like it, eh? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, she's
She's just
that one now.
Pregnant all
Oh.
year round.
Sorry, Jen.
Yeah. No, so so our baby's due on the 1st of Feb.
She's
we
been
moved into
pregnant
our
for
house on the
ages.
11th. Yeah, it feels like ages, eh?
Awesome.
It
That's
feels like
gonna be
ages, but
cool.
it feels like it's gone fast at the same time.
Now, Marcy, what's happening with you? Because I've been watching your Insta,
You are
and
everywhere.
you've been everywhere. Girl.
I've been everywhere. I've been everywhere. Just trying to get everywhere.
How
during
did
the
you
holidays.
How did you
It's
do the
great.
show from Topol? That's what I want to know.
Well, I love technology. The fact that we can literally work from home has been great.
Absolute.
But yes, no, we went to Topol for New Year's. That like everything that I did, Luke was supposed to do.
Oh no!
So we went to Topol.
You should have took a cardboard cutout everywhere.
Sure. We went to Hawke's Bay.
Yes, it looked awesome.
Went to Mahia, beautiful there.
Ah,
Where else did I go?
everywhere.
places, everywhere.
Yeah, it looks great.
It was great. Great holiday. I didn't pull out my laptop at all.
Oh,
Yeah.
Like,
good.
not once.
Good.
Yeah.
It was great.
Nah, it was pretty because we're still getting NIFA emails and I was still getting Sport Northland emails, and I was like, no, not even gonna look at you
Yeah,
right
yeah, yeah.
now.
No.
No.
This holiday deserves a holiday. And
Yeah.
because it's been ages since we've actually
Yeah.
holidayed.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
it was a great time down there. Our whānau down in Hawke's Bay, they put it on and I don't know, the sun was out and
Yes,
I was sick one day.
Oh,
and
tell
that
us
happened
about
to
that.
happened to be the day of Chance Flooding Brooke's birthday.
'Cause I
Oh,
was
the biggest
no.
party down there, but I was dying on
noticing in
that
the
day.
videos and the pictures. I was like, "Oh, Marcy must have come home because I didn't see you in them." And, then,
No.
and then you're like, "No, what happened?"
I was dying upstairs.
Did you
and
do
then
the float down the river thing?
I did the float.
Oh,
the float
yeah.
is still a go at Tiwi. If you want to do that during summer, Taupo, Waikato River starts at Taupo.
Do they keep it clean?
get off before Hooker Falls? It's totally clean.
Hey, yeah.
You
Clear
get
as the
off
days.
before Hooker Falls. Otherwise, you are going off
Yes.
another way.
You're
But
going
no,
on.
it
You
was
out.
great. If you want to do it, go do it. I
I've always
suggest that.
I've genuinely always wanted to
It looked
every
awesome.
time I see it, I'm like, that looks cool, man.
See, I was planned to come. I was just I was living vicariously through you
Yes.
the whole holidays.
Yeah, take more videos.
It would have been great with you.
Oh,
there.
thank
So
you,
without you, it was
Buzz.
dumb.
Oh shit!
Yeah,
Thanks, guys.
Totally.
Thanks.
yeah. This floating down this beautiful river in the sun.
Where's Luke?
Where's
I
Luke?
was saying that the whole way.
Oh, no. My holiday was, wow, I just stood in front of the TV and I watched about 28 episodes of Judge Judy.
Oh, wow.
And I
Judge
did. And I watched about 12 episodes of Law and Order Special Victims Unit.
Wow.
And then I watched Christmas Chronicles, the movie with Kurt Russell. Thank you. And then I watched a lot of old school movies. So
Wow.
I had a great time. It was amazing.
Did you used to watch that show House? That
Oh, the doctor?
Yeah, he's
Oh,
a doctor.
yes.
Do you know?
He's got a bang leg too.
Yeah. Yeah, you need those canes like he got.
You're
Did you know that
It was a good one.
House is a play on words for Holmes because it's a spin-off of Sherlock Holmes?
Oh, no, I didn't know that. But isn't
Bunch of
No,
facts for your
man.
morning,
Man
yeah.
of facts this
Yeah,
morning.
yeah, the flamingo,
ora.
the dinosaur, and House.
The
Look,
dinosaur,
Who
yeah.
are you?
So everybody, Morena Tiwi, of course, with the crew is back. And no doubt there's a lot of first day back at Mahi today.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah.
Kika, it's Tiwi.
Yeah. All my workmates at Sport Northland, they started back last week.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh,
how-
And I kind of forgot. And so I was getting messages and emails from people like, hey,
where are you?
Oh,
Can we
you
do
used
this?
to be back at Sport Northland last week.
well, we all were supposed to be back, yeah, but I took an extra week off
Oh,
just because I had
oh.
heaps of leave.
I wouldn't be surprised if you just forgot to go.
Yeah,
I was
yeah,
like,
exactly.
"You're supposed
Yeah,
to be
yeah.
at work."
Yeah. Where are you? Yeah. I wouldn't put it past me either to just not go. No, but I took an extra week off. But I was getting emails and people inviting me to meetings, and I'm like, hey, what are you up to? And they're, that's right. You guys are back at work.
A friend of mine in Auckland actually went back to work a week early and couldn't work out why there was no one there. He Instagrammed about it, and then the security said, "What are you doing here?" And when he realized, he was like, "Oh, I'm just here to do a few things." And he's like, "Shame!" All decked out in his suit, looking around the room like, "Where's everybody?"
I'm just coming to
Is
pick up my
everyone-
work
A
laptop.
week early. I can understand if you are a couple of days late to work forgetting, but
Yeah.
how do you not forget? You're on a week
Yeah.
and a 3-week holiday, Bowl.
Han, you're dragging the chain this morning. Hoki ki te mahi e te whānau.
Hoki ki te mahi.
I'm dragging a leg, but thanks.
Also, shout out to my auntie Liza Luke, who trumps you.
Oh, I
Broke-
heard.
Left ankle and right foot.
Oh, no, Auntie.
On Boxing Day.
Holy
I heard
hecka.
about this, but I'm
Left
sure you
and-
were just putting up the washing or something, wasn't she? I'm sure she was
I
putting up
think
the
so.
washing.
Left
Yeah,
ankle
Just
and
slipped.
right foot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's like a slip catch, ow, and then a ah.
She was coming, I believe she was coming into hospital as I was leaving. I heard
Oh,
about this.
hecka.
Terrible.
Yeah.
Both feet. You know
Oh
what?
man.
Because I've got another story to share. You tried
Share
doing a
away.
poo standing up with my straight leg. Try putting your
Crack
undies
up.
on with your. Alternate knows about this. We tried it. At the, Auntie Pauline and Alternate, we tried.
Someone
this
had
at
to
the-
help you get them
well,
on, eh?
at the beach house, and I said, "You tried."
Tried pooing standing up.
I know. Try putting your undies on with your leg out straight, and you can't
yeah.
bend it. It's hard. It's hard, I tell you.
Yeah.
It's hard. So, Auntie, I get it.
Yeah.
I get it.
Oh my
I feel
gosh.
you. It's hard.
Yeah.
There was a period of time where my whole left side didn't work, but you know.
Hey, that's yeah. See,
But
that
you're
trumps it all.
right.
Hey, another exciting news. One of our viewers that watches us religiously every morning, Natalie, gave
Good Auntie Pauline.
birth.
Oh,
Gave
She
birth.
gave birth
Natalie
on the-
Jade.
She did. She gave birth
Holy
the other
hecka.
day at home. And her husband actually had to
Caught
help
the
caught the
baby.
baby on the staircase because the midwife couldn't get there in time, and poof, the baby came out.
Oh,
High fived it. There we go.
I love that was my favorite
Yeah.
part. We high fived each other. Like,
Did they
we just
actually?
do that.
Yeah, that
we
was
just
cool.
did that.
They had a
Yeah.
baby, just the two of them. No one. Oh
Yeah,
my
Just
gosh.
the two.
Coming down
How
the
many
stairs.
kids did they have? They have any?
That was their fourth.
Oh yeah, so they got a little bit of
12
experience,
now.
I guess.
Yeah.
Yes, but congratulations! Congratulations! So exciting! High five!
There it
Here's a
is.
baby.
This is our fourth too, but I'm not planning on catching it without any help around. No way.
Nah, you can do it, Kataya.
Have you done that before? Having to like help 'cause of you couldn't get
Nah,
there in
not
time.
really. Not really. Nah.
Just get the text. Remember, I'm having a baby.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah.
We've had Auntie Crete the
Oh, yes.
last, our first one and our third one. Yeah.
Lost count.
Yeah. We've had Auntie, so she's always been there.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
All right. Well, we are back at Tiwi,
We
out
are.
at Mara, here till 9 o'clock. Very shortly, we're going to check out our weather and sexy maramataka. Kia ui tonu mai.
Oh, yes. But
Oh my
before that, we're gonna kwa hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohe. We have Choose featuring Humwa from Stan Walker. Nō reira whānau, kaua huri ki te ana ki, you know the drill, Ngāti Hine FM.
I say forever, you told me never, we'll be together. You run away from me, no matter the weather. I'll be your shelter, life would be better if you just stay with me.
I can't just give in, my heart, yes, it's hidden. I'm still forgiven, so I run away from you. But please don't stop chasing, boy, just be patient. Your time won't be wasted if you just stay with me.
You push away my love over and over. I try
You try,
to make
but
you
I
stay. Can't get no closer. I won't
you won't
give up on us. So can we just give it a try?
I know it won't be easy, but you choose. It's up to you. What we're gonna do? Got nothing to lose. Choose. It's up to you. What we're gonna do? You and me, we got nothing to lose. Been almost forever. I said that never. Do you remember? You said you wait for me.
I said I'd love you, no lie. I knew you'd let me in time. It's good to pass no deadline. I'll always wait for you. You push away my love over and over. I try
You try,
to make
but I
you stay. Can't get no closer. I won't
you won't
give up
give
on
up.
us. So can we just give it a try? I know it won't be easy, but you choose. It's up to you. What we gonna do?
Got nothing to
Lose,
lose.
oh, choose.
Choose.
It's up to you.
It's up to you.
What we gonna do?
Hey.
You and me, we got nothing to lose. It's up to you.
It's up to you.
What we gonna do? Hey.
Got nothing to lose. Choose.
It's up to you.
What we gonna do?
You and me, we got nothing to lose. I say forever,
I'll leave you never.
life is much better. Just stay with me.
He mea tautoko nā te manga.
Iwa te kaima iwa i ratahi tū atu I hikurangi. Mōre nei te iwi Ngāti Hine FM.
Oh, you did it so well. Like you never
Yes, more than the
left.
I was like a little bit panicking, like, what is the frequencies again?
Yes, I know. We're a little bit rusty, Dewey. Engari, our sound is still working. You
It
know, the
is.
sound's working, the
Kia ora.
pitch is there,
We
the
came
song's
with no
played.
hit.
Yeah,
Welcome to
You,
the show,
us,
everybody.
e tiwi.
Yeah.
You,
Yeah,
you, us.
2020 you.
2020 you. Oh, I get it because it rhymes with two.
Get out.
Did you have it? Speaking of, did any of us have any New Year's resolutions? Did you have it? Did you?
You know the norms.
The door. Buy
This
a
is
house.
the year of the kidney changa as tiwi.
Te kinitanga.
And of
Right.
the successful business and of the
Yes, mine is that too.
No.
The business stuff, financial stuff, successful.
hopefully going overseas, but it ain't looking pretty.
Well, that's
No,
yeah.
the
If
world
you
is a
don't,
mess.
it's not your fault.
Yeah.
Yeah, the world is just a mess.
Yeah,
The world
yeah.
is a mess.
I've got a. My thing was just to be as organized as I can be. Not like
That's
you
actually
know.
goal.
Yeah, because I'm like It's not that I'm unorganized. What it is that I'm easily influenced out of my plan.
Right.
So I can have like, that's my day. But if you come to me and be like, "Hey, Phoenix, want to do anything else?" I'll be like,
Yes.
"Yes, yes, I'm free. Yes."
So don't do that. That's your fault.
Oh,
do you want to do literally anything else? I'll be like, "Yes."
Terrible.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
gonna, yeah. Yes, I do.
Yes.
I really do.
That's right.
A random thing that I've been. How much money do you spend a day? Like,
Terrible.
Oh, heaps.
I've just
Okay.
been too
On
much.
lunch and like just on little things. You mean?
oh, anything.
Like I spend at least maybe 30, 40
Yeah.
bucks on lunch and stuff
Easy,
every day.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm the same.
Well,
if
I've been
not
just
more.
doing randomly every morning, just transferring $27.40.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Why so much? Because at the end of the year, that's 10K.
Oh wow.
And I'm thinking, well, if
That's
I don't spend this on lunch today, I'll just spend it now. Transfer
Mm.
it.
Sure.
We'll see how long that lasts
So-
until you ask me at the end of the year.
every single day.
And I'll be like, I've got $27.40.
Yeah, yeah. How much in your
Stop today.
savings? How much in your savings? Well, including today, 27.40.
Is that every single day? Like 7 days a week, you have to transfer $27.40.
But then I was thinking,
Wow.
wow, because naturally you spend about $30.
Yes, I actually, because GST was due yesterday for October, November,
yeah,
because
ours is
they
due.
stretched it out. They extended it. And so we were doing it last night, and I'm like, wow. If I did, I could have bought a house. I
Yeah.
could have had a deposit for a house. I worked it out.
No.
Like, that's a lot of money. I was going
Yeah,
to say how much I
yeah.
spent. But no. So $27.40, everybody.
Just a
Okay.
random thing.
So
'cause
if
I-
you save $27 every day for
Mm.
this year,
yes,
10 grand.
10 grand. I
That's
mean,
what
I
you
know
do.
we're like 2 weeks after the start of the year, but like just less than 10 grand.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That
Have
much
you
less.
started already?
I started. I've done like 3 days.
Yeah. oh.
But
And
I
so
mean,
do you have to not buy lunch now?
well,
Like, is that the
constantly
compromise?
in my head, I'm like, don't buy lunch.
Oh, yeah.
Use it for this.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I started this thing last year, which was to gather, like you have envelopes
Yes.
numbered 1 to 100,
Yes, yeah.
and then you put the cash of that
Of that
amount.
number in.
Oh.
that
Yeah.
you- so I mixed it up. I didn't do it the whole year, but I think I opened it at Christmas Day, like just to give out some extra presents. I don't know, and I had like $350.
That's
Oh, yeah.
cool. You never know it's there. Brilliant.
That was just in a shoebox.
Yes.
Oh, that's right. Oh,
That's
there's
nice.
money.
Oh, that's
Oh, cool.
brilliant. I
But it's
like
not
that.
about money, it's Huey. But if you want to do some little,
Oh, look,
quirky
keen.
Well, that's what,
things that I don't know that
Yeah.
you see on TikTok, have a go.
well, because I feel like those kind of things will actually help with saving because it's kind of like different to just putting money away. Like you've got like these random, like, oh, what envelope am I going to get? Oh, it's a 27. You
Yeah.
put the 27 in there. That's kind of like, it's like makes it a little bit more interesting as
Mm.
opposed to just like, I don't know, having an automatic payment go straight
Yes.
into a savings account.
Mm.
I do encourage though to actually save. But if you want like a little money on the side, that's a cool way to do
That's
it.
a goer.
Yes. Oh, that's
Yeah.
cool.
Well
All right.
done.
I'm trying to
Alright.
be organized. Like this morning, I got up, I put my beard oil on. I've got this
Oh,
like
Chad.
Tane. It's called Tane Kawa beard oil.
You do
Oh,
look
that
pretty
sounds
Yeah,
so
yeah.
manly.
Yeah.
Tane.
Where did that come from?
It was a Christmas present from my mum, and it was
Mine
like
atu.
yeah my Tane. But it's it's like Kawa beard oil and like a Kawa face cream and like a scalp and oil thing. So I'm like
wow.
trying to like do it every morning. Like I got this like little routine.
Routine.
Boom, 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 boom.
Oh, flash
And
guy.
then, get ready for the day. Boom, attack. Like that's trying to be my day.
No.
And so I was early this morning. I got up early, got dressed, and I got my watch on. Look, hello.
Hello.
It's the wrong time. I haven't said it yet.
We're like day one, tick,
Oh,
guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
surprised everyone was here before me.
I know. I got here.
Sure.
I saw Marcia's car, and I was like, "Oh, Marcia, I'll wave to I was like, "Oh, pull up. Hey, oh, she's not even in there.
Yeah, I was like, oh,
What are you
She's in the
doing?
building.
Wasting time.
Oh,
And to
man.
be honest, I was like, I need to work how to work the computer again.
yeah.
Fair enough.
Oh, so we were supposed to play Iare Mana on that one and do the weather in that, but
Let's check out the weather.
yeah.
Ngā
let's do that.
matapai huarere mō tēnei ata. It
That's
is
good.
currently 17.8 degrees here in Te Whangaorei pai kohi ngā kūtai. It should feel like 18 degrees, but it's a high of 28 degrees here in Whangarei. Also in Auckland, it's a high of 29 degrees, which means it's probably about 30 to 31 degrees total. It's 90% humidity, which means it's what? It is moist. She is wet moist today. It is your sunrise is at 6:23. Sunset tonight is at 8:41 p.m.
Miana. We've got our tides. Ngā tai o Whangarei. Last tide was low tide at 2 a.m. this morning. Next high tide will be, it's now. Currently now, well, it's going into high tide. 8:30 is going to be the peak of high tide. And then we've got sunset at 20 to 9 this evening.
Nice.
Yeah. What time did you say sunset was it?
20 to 9.
Ah, yeah.
That's
Kia ora.
nice.
Moonrise,
High tide,
20
that's
past
good.
8.
Yes.
Oh.
That's so great segue
Kia
into
ora.
sexy marama.
Oh, yes, here we go. For the first one for our live people at home.
Kia ora anō tātou. Ko hoki tātou ki tēnei wahanga e ki anei ko sexy maramataka. Ina po I haere I wahu I taku whare. I kōrero atu ki a hina. Tēnā koe e hina. He aha te marama o te wahanga o te marama I tēnei po. E mea mai ki au. Tēnā koe e hoa. Long time no see. Ko ōtoru te wahanga o tēnei marama. He rā pai ki te whakatō kai. He rā pai ki te hika. Ano nei he tino kahana te hihiko I tēnei rā. And I was like, che, you got all of that? Ōtoru whānau, ōtoru. Full moon tonight whānau. And like I was saying with Marcia, full moon, you know it's ōtoru and it's full moon because the moon and the sun can be seen pretty much at equal level in the sky at the same time.
What about that fact?
Yeah.
I didn't, yes.
Yeah, because they're like passing each other.
Hey,
Hey, bro.
Hello.
Yeah.
See you soon. Yeah, well,
Yeah.
Yeah, kia ora.
She was bright last night.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
was like, excuse me.
Yeah.
Move.
Excellent.
It was.
Hey,
we
she might
like
pick you up.
We like her.
You know what?
She's a
Happens
guy.
at Rona.
Yeah.
So we're like, you
That's-
know, I
That's
just
high energy today, whānau. Ōtoru, big moon, big moves, big energy. Let's
Yes.
go.
Me ana ki ngā iwi ki ngā hunga e whakarongo mai ana. Mātakitaki mai ana, mārunga I te purangi nei.
Yes.
I see Mr. Ralph Ruka. Is he okay?
What's happened?
He fell off his motorbike.
I just want to say, if Te Amo Haere Tapune Morihu is watching, he fell off his motorbike. Te Arepa Morihu shouldn't get a motorbike.
No. Oh, is he okay?
Yeah, he's okay. So he he fell off.
Was it
So-
parked or was it driving?
Yeah, it was driving. He was
Okay, just
driving.
making sure.
Yeah.
You know,
So he was going through Kawakawa. So not at like high speeds, which was, lucky. But he was going through Kawakawa town, and the apparently it happens heaps. Like when we were at the hospital in Kawakawa, the doctor was like, again, because it happens heaps. But when those tracks get wet, they're just real slippery.
Oh.
And so he was just going over the tracks and slipped out, and then the handlebars went one way, the back went one way, and it made him like hit the throttle, so it like whiplashed him off. So he was like, he's okay. He said he would have been fine, but he landed on his back, and he had a backpack on with his lunchbox in it, and so his lunchbox cracked 3 of his ribs. So he's got 3 like fractured
What kind
ribs.
of lunchbox is that?
Yeah, titanium one.
I know.
Flintstone lunch.
It's just one of those like plastic,
A
like
steamer.
yeah.
Sort of hangi cooker in it. Holy heck.
Just a
Oh my
portable
God.
hangi.
Yeah. Made out of
He was,
concrete.
he was very hungry.
Holy
No,
heck. Well,
it
hope
was his
he's
lunchbox.
okay.
So he landed on his back onto his lunchbox and then cracked a few ribs. So He's all good. He's at home. He was at hospital for the day. He's back at home. He's just moving gingerly. His painkillers, it's like can't breathe as deeply, because of the pain and all of that. But there's nothing the doctors can do with cracked ribs. It's just
No, they have to repair themselves.
yeah.
Wow. Wolverine it up. Is that coming into Kawakawa or the ones
past.
opposite, like the Star Hotel?
Yeah, I think
Further
those
down.
ones. Because apparently,
those are weird on the car.
yeah, because apparently they're not because they're supposed to be flush with the road kind of thing, but they're not.
Not yet.
And so apparently, like the nurse was like, because I said, he slipped on the train tracks, and the nurse at the Kawaka hospital, she goes, that happens so often, because the way the tracks are, it's slippery, it's slick, but there's also like grooves on either side of the tracks that's got like gaps in it that people's tires get caught in. Like there's heaps of stuff. So
Out of it.
apparently, it's very
Fix the road.
Yeah, because I seen in some of your comments or your mum had a post up, and they're like, that part. That part.
yeah.
It's terrible. I hope he's all good.
No, he's all good. He's He's just chilling at home, watching TV on the lazy boy.
I understand him. I get him.
Yeah.
I feel.
Yeah, maybe you just have to have like a huinga.
Yeah. Hunga
What
hoa.
channel, Kani?
Hunga hoa hui.
Te hunga hararei hoa. Alrighty, hey. Very shortly we've got
Ea mara.
Ea mara. Chance for us to wake up way after we should have.
Yeah. But I got this song here because I thought this would help bring some joy to Luke's heart, because he had a rough time over the holidays. So we have "See What Love Can Do" from Andy Crummer.
Oh, you're kind. So kind.
No reira, kaua huri ki te ana ke whanua tēnei.
Go and catch up. You do a great job.
Change song.
See what love can do. See what love can do. See what love can do. Oh yeah. See what love can do. When the world starts to fall and fall, look deep within your lonely heart. Do your best, my friend. Try and understand it's only you. Pull yourself through. When you tell your story, make sure the story's right. Every little single word is true. See what love can do. Yeah. See what love can do. See what love can do. Yeah. See what love can do.
Well, the words around our music, and music is a song. The world would be so happy if we'd all just get along.
Just get along. Yeah, I wanna see smile on every face. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So when we tell a story, make sure the story's right. Ooh, every single word is true. See what love can do. Yeah. See what love can do. See what love can do. Yeah. See what love can do. See what love can do. See what love can do. Ooh, yeah. So when we tell a story, make sure the story's right. Yeah, my vocal message through. See what love can do. See what love
Ngā marae o te kāinga. A place I like to call home.
Te aroha.
Ko te aroha te marae i te takiwa o Parakau I roto I te awawa o Mangakahi. I te aroha I te ingoa nā runga o ngā manaakitanga o te iwi whānui kia tūtika te whare o tēnei marae. Te hapu o taua marae ki Ngāti te rino, te awa ko pōtaka kaiore, maunga kōhatu te maunga, te tupuna maunga ko te tarai tike o Rāhiri, ko te awa mairunga ki raro o te pokohu ko Mangakahi.
Te aroha.
Ngā marae o te kāinga.
Iwa te kauma.
I like to
There we
call
are.
home.
Thank you. There we're back. Iwa te kauma, iwa ira oro ki whāngarei nei. Iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi tuatu I Hikurangi. Oh, it's been a while.
Hikurangi.
Huku.
Shout out to all our listeners listening from Manu Rewa.
Oh, chat.
As well as the
Rewa
Tautokere.
hard.
Itahi South.
What's Rewa like? 27. Is it 27?
I don't know. It's in the 09. You're safe with that.
Yeah. Oh no, let's go. Anyway, whānau, ko tai tātou ki tō koutou tino wahanga e kia ne ko...
E ara e mara!
Hey.
That's right, whānau. We've finally made it to E Ara E Mara, opportunity to play a game to help wake up roa iho, roa ake,
And no,
ara ko te roro, and the nono ai.
no.
And today we're letting the wheel choose for us.
Aye,
It's iwi.
te wīra.
Te wīra.
Hang on, I got the music here too. Let's do it.
Oh,
It's the most wonderful time.
Here we go, because we're going to spin the wheel. We need to play this.
Te wīra. Te wīra. Te wīra. Te wīra. Te wīra. Te wīra. Okay, spin te wīra.
Here it goes.
Let's go.
What's our game called?
2020 you, it's a new year, it's a new way of dealing with the game issue.
Well, our good old favourite.
Kaupapa game.
Oh.
That is a favourite, actually.
Yeah.
Yo, okay,
Right.
Whānau. So if you've been living under a rock and you're just joining us for the first time, because 2022 and all of that.
Welcome.
2022?
It is.
It is.
Welcome.
We back. That's right, Nate Ihaka. We are back. So we're playing the kaupapa game. And the way it works is that we choose a kaupapa, we go around the circle, we got to sing Te Tahi Waiata, hanga ana ki tēnei kaupapa.
Kia ora.
Kaupapa. So, who's got our kaupapa for the morning?
Should have
'Cause
done
I was
another
talking
te
so much,
wīra.
like I was talking, and then, yeah. What's our kaupapa?
Oh,
Go,
never
Luke.
give it to me.
Give it to you.
Oh, here we
Oh,
go.
okay.
Let me guess. Something about a drag queen.
I was going to say songs by Annie Crummer.
Oh, no.
Okay.
I've got one.
Okay. Yeah.
See what love can do.
Oh,
See what
damn.
love can do. When the world's not something, that's all I know.
Fun fact.
See what love. Yes. Oh,
It's-
yes. The people.
Yeah, well, no. Isn't that originally sung by Dave Dobbin?
Oh, gee.
is it?
Yeah, because I went with Janet to go watch him. Thanks to Alison Huerta.
Oh, I saw that.
Shout
That
out.
looked cool.
Free ticket to Dave Dobbin. Like, of course, he was on my list of must see during the holidays. But it just so happens tickets to fall in our lap, and we're like, yeah, we'll go.
Is he the OG?
And then he sang that, and I was like, what? And she's like, Dave Dobbin sings it, and I was like, go, Annie!
yeah, where's
Yeah,
Annie?
yeah.
And then out comes
Anyway.
Annie Crummer. Does she come out?
Nah.
Oh. You're like, yes,
Just
no, I
Dave.
know. I can see he's singing it. I see that, but she's singing better.
Yeah.
Any
Alright.
crumb anyway.
See what love can do. Hey,
You know the one.
See what love
Sing
can,
it.
See what love
Do I?
can do.
Yeah, she features in the song that you love,
You love her.
that we love,
We love. The
and you like the
original.
new Kaka version.
Oh. Ngoi ngoi.
Yeah, there
Oh.
you
You
go.
have to sing it.
Atahuang
Ngoi.
ngoi ngoi.
Akamarie.
Ngoi ngoi.
Hey, Phoenix, who's Ngoi Ngoi?
Akapono ngoi.
Who was it? You didn't know.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
no,
didn't
it
know
was
the
so
name.
funny. Yeah.
Honestly, I'm pretty sure I googled the word ngoi at one point because we sang it at Wesley College for our choral competition.
Oh, that's
That's cool.
amazing.
Yeah, yeah.
I bet you
Yes.
Annie was probably with
Yeah.
you.
She was probably there the whole time. Like, who's that lady?
And I didn't even know. I thought ngoi was a word.
Who's that lady in the caftan? Oh,
Yeah, that's all
Okay.
I got for that.
What have I got? What is that? Stir the pot or something.
Yes.
What we need is
Yeah.
a great big bouncy pot.
Big enough.
Big enough, take the world and all it's got.
Keep on
staring for 100 years or more. This is the outside. Bring out coffee, colored people by the score.
Nice.
That way I can make the actual range.
Hey, Badea, Inangaro, Badea, Inangaro. Language. Something, yeah. Oh, language.
Yes. I got
Oh.
none. I got
can't see it.
zero.
Where's the what happened?
Oh, no. My fun fact was a lie. Janet said it's You Ought to Be in Love is the song. Same
Oh.
diff. I was asking where Andy was, okay?
Oh, does she sing that too?
Yeah, that's what she.
Does she sing it?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, she does. Yes.
Oh, see, I know that one.
I think she sings it as his song. Does it? Do they sing it
Yeah.
together?
Oh.
Oh, I don't know.
Does it count if I sing it? When
Sing
your
it.
love is hard
there you
enough
go.
to
Oh,
find.
it's a karaoke song.
When you've got it,
Oh.
never leave it behind.
You're an Andy fan.
Hold on. I'm actually a Wuramu Hohaya fan.
Oh.
And give it all you have. Because he sung
Oh.
it at New Zealand Idol. When it's given back, will be a powerful man. And well, this he comes.
Ah,
In walks my baby.
Oh, baby.
You know, fun fact about that song, Koya asked me to sing it at a wedding. And then like
And
I
you said
learned it.
no.
Nah, I learned it.
Fan.
I said, yep, I learned it.
Oh,
I was
no.
practicing it. And then
I
like
don't remember.
a little
that
while
happening.
later, yeah. So a little while later, they were like, oh, like just before, actually, Wuramu Hohaya is gonna do it, so you can.
And also,
um,
that wasn't the song that I remember. Was it the Walk
No.
Down the Aisle? Or was it just the
nah,
random-
it was
Oh,
just. I don't think
gonna say.
it wasn't the Walk Down the Aisle song. I think maybe it was their first dance song or something like that.
Oh, see, I didn't get invited. So I
Don't bring up the
remember.
wedding invitations. It's
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
I don't remember
I know how
what
that feels.
happened.
I know how that feels.
Well, I went. It was great. Thanks, Koya.
Oh, crack up. Yeah.
Oh, you make me laugh.
What's this? Talking about Dave Dobbin concert. We need an amphitheater like
We
that
do
one.
that.
Black
Awesome.
Barn.
Yeah, that looks
Like
cool.
Well, that's phase 2 of Hihio ways. They have amphitheater outside.
Oh, really? That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah, as long
What a
as
great
all
space.
these mainstream, kaka don't keep stealing all their funding.
Yeah.
Kia ora.
Morena e mara.
And when that happens, it's iwi, Eare Mara is going to host a great concert.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
Amphitheater. It's not hard. Just dig
You
a
know-
big. Just dig down.
Dig down.
Just dig
Just
down
dig
and
down.
out. Yeah.
Easy. I mean, give me the digger.
Yeah. So he said down and out. Sweet.
Yeah.
Dig
I mean,
down.
they've already got like, come on, what's that place? The horse?
Barge Park.
Barge
is a great
Park.
style amphi already.
Yeah.
Just put in some
Just
seats.
dig some seats in.
Yeah, and don't be so hoy hoy. I
I was going to say those seats would have been great when we skipped cross country at school. Everybody else running around and our little rope just ran around the corner.
I never did one cross country at Pompelia College. Never.
Nice.
I did a quarter of one
You-
until we
you-
ran around the corner and hid.
You strike me as the like cross country MC.
Well,
Well, you know-
next day, alternate
Oh
nights.
yeah. See, yeah.
We
And I
went-
just knew when they said go that wasn't going to be my future career.
Go
I was like,
now.
nah.
Marcia, you go. No.
No.
Yeah. It should have been 2 goes, one for me and one for everyone else.
That's right. Well, that was a great fail of a game. That was
Yeah, we
fantastic.
didn't really. Yeah, let's go another.
Oh, see what love
nah.
can do. Originally recorded by Eric Clapton.
Ah.
Kia
Really?
ora.
Go another Kaupapa Marcia. Go.
Okay,
Bring us up. Bring
Kaupapa
us up.
is New Zealand artist. Go.
Okay.
Oh, this is hard already.
Because you don't listen
I-
and
I-
support
I-
them.
I-
No, no, that's
I can't read it now.
not enough
Okay,
support.
you
Oh, there you go.
Okay. Winning song.
Oh, let me guess. Pohia Watia. Let me guess the new Ngoi
I will.
Oh,
that is
still
the
love
randomest
you.
one.
That is
Hey, even though I wanna stay mad, even though I wanna get angry, though it'll be easier just to walk away, I will choose to stay
Yeah.
and love
Okay.
you.
All
I
right.
have
Sure
no idea why that was the first one that came to my mind. I didn't even like that song.
Thank you.
You'll never
Insert
guess this
supportive
one.
comment.
Yeah, from
appearance.
swimming.
Was my
Swimming was your
forte.
forte.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Who was that? Your
Put your
mum?
hand up if you're a swimming champion.
Was that your mum that wrote that?
Yeah, definitely.
Or this
Beautiful.
random lady Pauline Over.
Yeah, she's always on. Yeah.
My one. What's my one? Oh. Nothing but dreams, nothing but imagination. Somehow
Cher
it
was from
seems
New Zealand.
it's all about
Sherry
the dream,
Hoda.
yeah. Nothing but dreams. You don't know it?
No.
Tina Cross, 1976.
You're born in the wrong decade
It
or
was the-
something, eh?
I'm just a
Okay,
fan.
I'm getting your vibes. Cher Moana Marie.
That's all
waiting for me.
That song every time reminds me of my granddad. Like you can catch him at
Oh, I
any time
love
singing that
that.
to
I
the
think
top of his lungs.
It's a goer, that song. I love it.
Cheryl. Who? I didn't even know that was a New Zealand song.
Yeah.
Is it
John Rose.
Ah, sure. Okay,
Good
here we
old-
Do you know
go.
who that is?
One Taka Hoodie.
One Takahudi.
Please welcome
John
Hone
Rose.
Takahuri. Cheryl.
Oh, that's
Fuck you.
crack up.
How did it do?
Dang, what is going on here?
Don't think it.
Kai
Just
what's
do
out
it.
Aotearoa?
Find yourself a love. Find you a love that makes you warm inside. That's it.
Ah, nice.
Who's that?
Troy.
Oh, sorry.
Tina Cross.
yeah. Tina Cross's second album.
Okay. If I only had time.
Oh my god.
Maybe mine. Time is a something.
You love your little guitar.
If I only had time. If I only had time. John Rolls.
Nice.
Kia koe te
Oh,
tau.
nice.
Aku mihi. Aqua haere koe ki hea. And go.
Nice. I just reading this comment here from Janet. I so missed your guys singing without knowing lyrics.
Yeah. He knows lyrics.
Pause nut.
You're funny, generator.
Okay.
One more round.
Okay. Mana is my mountain. Aloha is my sea. Mana is my something. Waka. And all
So
of that is me. And then Leo. Ko mana toku manga.
Toku manga.
Ko aroha te moana.
Whānau.
Ko whānau tōku waka. Ko hau e tu atu nei.
Ah, kia
there
ora.
we
Mihi ana
Te
rā.
piha.
go. Song. Last one. Come on,
last one, and
Birch.
then we'll get the song, and then we'll be good.
Come
Yes.
on. Come on, Birch.
Come on.
Giga.
I'm sending you these vibes, all these
That's
vibes,
a
all
great
these
start.
vibes,
Do it
all
again.
these vibes.
And.
Because I'm sending you these vibes, all these vibes, all these vibes, all these vibes.
Nice.
My last one is cruising on the highway 35.
nice.
Karapana Nazi. Iteru o Waiapu. Tuake te wakatohea.
Love it.
Nice work. All right, finally. Well, that was our amazing game of Eare Mana this
Yeah.
morning. As you can see, there's some rust on the old bolts and screws there. Anyway, kua hoki tātou ki te mito te rohi, we have Pohewatia
Aye.
featuring Thea from Kings. And then after that, we're straight into our news from Wātea. There's a new voice actually doing our news. No more Howard
Ooh.
Morrison. There's a wahine in there doing the job.
Wow,
So
Howard Morrison did die
Oh,
a few years ago. It was
Not the
Scotty
Howie
stepped
Honestly, a little bit worried if it was
Oh.
Howie.
Emoi. Ko hoki tātou ki te hunga ora. Scotty
ora.
Morrison was the one.
Maybe it's his holiday voice.
Yeah,
Stepped in.
true. Maybe he's on holiday and someone else is doing his voice. No reira whānau, ko uhuri ki te ane kiwe, puhe watua, then the news, and then you'll be back with us. That's
Boom.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Ere mara.
Ladies and gentlemen. Yo, picture this. Moldy boy cruising around in a Lamborghini. Cops give me a wave instead of pulling. Every time they see me, global like white TT Azora, sipping that dry martini. Ooh, Kenna instead of caviar. We fly. Picture this. Brown excellence. What a sentiment. Late night shows with Moldy Letterman. One by one, the cuz he's settling. Fresh as a peppermint. Dripping like dropping a bunch of ketamine. Sir, I'm in the right place with the right face. In the right seat, fitting nicely. Cuz just chilling how my brown people does. One love, Mickey Young Girl. Picture this, rags to riches, from few to plenty. So many brown faces, it's matatini. When I do me, mahitigana. Takumata bukana uhiana. Yeah, some fried bread with my butter. Soaked in ikamata, B-side with the brothers. Coolin', stubbies in the boardroom. 100K deals, and I'm back into my broadroom. Booming. Push the start, retro game, car zooming. Whip like I flick my wrist, they assuming. Just chillin' how my brown people does. One love, Mickey Young Ati, the church.
If it's 4 months since your second shot, it's now time to get your free booster. Getting a booster is the best way to protect you and your whānau from COVID-19 variants like Omicron. So book your booster today at bookmyvaccine.nz.
We are navigating a lot of changes here in Te Tai Tokerau, and for some of us, our lives are much busier these days, and it shows on the roads. So Waka Kotahi is reviewing the riskiest speed limits in Aotearoa. Around 600 people are killed or seriously injured in speed-related crashes on our roads in Aotearoa each year. Let's aim for zero with Waka Kotahi, committed to keeping us safe. Go to www.nzta.govt.nz to find out more and take care on the roads.
Parents and caregivers can now get their 5 to 11-year-olds immunised against COVID-19. Find out more at bookmyvaccine.nz or call the COVID Vaccination Healthline on 0800 28 2926.
Te mita o te rohe. Ngāti Hine FM. Kia hiwara, e whai ake nei ko ngā pito pito kōrero.
E ngā mātā waka o te motu, tēnā koutou katoa. Nau mai ki e nei pūrongo kōrero a wātea nā te pūtea taunaki a te māngai pāho. E whai ake nei koe nei te rā e timata ai ngā mahi toha toha i te rongoa ārai ma te Pfizer ki ngā tamariki o Aotearoa. Ngaru e ana te whenua, ngā oko ana te moana ki te mautere o Tonga, nā te hūtanga o mau ngā hunga tonga hunga haapai i whakaara ai i ngā tai a niwhaniwha o Tangaroa. Hei whakatepe ake ko ngā tai pito pito kōrero hā kina kina. Ko Koe nei te rā e timata e ngā mahi toha i te rongoa ārai ma te Pfizer ki ngā tamariki o Aotearoa i Wainganui i te 5 me te 11 tau te pakeke. E whakahau ana a te manatū hauora mena rānei e horokuku ana ngā mātua ki te haumarutanga o te rongoa nei mo a tātou tamariki kia haere ki te pānui i ngā meka kei tā rātou pai tuku. Ki te hunga taiohi tau te pakeke ki te 15 tau te pakeke e wātea nā rātou kia wero ki te rongoa ārai mate inaia tonu nei mena e hia te ana. Hei tā te kaihautu Māori o te manatū hauora, hei tā John Whanga, me wero i a tātou tamariki ki ngā rongoa ārai mate e rua, hei mātua tiaki i a rātou ki te mate kōwhiori. Engari, me tatari rātou mō ngā wiki e waru whai muri i te wero tuatahi. A piti atu ki tēnā te taia e ngā tamariki te whiwhi i te rongoa nei i te korenga o ona mātua, kaitiaki rānei. A ka arahina te tamaiti e tōna kaitiaki matua rānei ki te whakaki i ngā pepa e a hei ai te weronga o te tamaiti ki te rongoa. He rongoa utukore tēnei ki a tātou tamariki mokopuna katoa. Ngaru e ana te whenua, ngā oko ana te moana ki te mautere o tonga, nā te hūtanga mai o mau ngā hunga tonga, hunga haapai, i whakaarai i ngā tai a niwhaniwha o Tangaroa. Me te aha i tūrakina ngā tini kāinga o te mautere, ka mutu i motu ki a ngā hangarau whakawhiti kōrero ki ngā ratonga whawhatitata o te mautere. Ina nahi nei i tū te hui pāpāho motuhake a te Premier a Jacinda Ardern, hei tāna e rite ana ngā taua moana o Aotearoa kia haere ki te āwhina i ngā whānau o Tonga. Engari e tatari tonu ana kia tai mai te whānuitanga o ngā kōrero mo te āhua o te mautere i tēnei wā. Hei tāna anō kia tai mai ngā kōrero nui ka tukua e ia ngā ratonga āwhina o Aotearoa. I roto i ngā rangitata kua tahake nei kua waipuketia ngā pai pāpāho pāpori e te nui o te aroha me ngā whakaaro nui mō ngā whanaunga maha o Tonga. Ai nā pōra i whakahaeretia ai ngā karakia e te rōpū tōrangapū Māori mo te hunga kua riro kua pākinotia rānei e ngā taumahatanga o tēnei parekura nui. Ara noa atu ngā raumahara i puta i te tini me te mano i tai atura ki te hui whakamānawa i a ngā tamatoa i tū i ngā rangi whakatā kua hipa ki roto o tauranga moana. E rima te kautau kua pahure ake mai anō i te whakatūnga mai o te rōpū ngā tamatoa, te rōpū i a te tehia i te ngā rara kino o te kaikiritanga me ngā he a te kāwanatanga o Aotearoa i ngā tau whitu te kau. E ai kia tame iti o ngai tūhoi mema o ngā tamatoa, ka hoki ngā mahara ki a rātou i whawhai mō te reo Māori te take, aha koa kaore i a rātou te reo Māori, anei te reo o tame iti.
O rāta, kāre i a rātou te reo, ka noho mamai e tahi o rātou, ka noho anu e tahi o rātou i ngā pēhitanga o tō tāua nā tanata whenua tana ki Aotearoa i te rāwa. Nā ringa i wera whakaneke o te ao pāke i te rāwa ka pua wai mai te anā tamatoa, tamatū, tamaora, tama noho, tamamake.
Nō reira e hoa māmau tonu mai ki ngā takeha kinakina e whai ake nei.
If it's 4 months since your second shot, it's now time to get your free booster. Getting a booster is the best way to protect you and your whānau from COVID-19 variants like Omicron. So book your booster today at bookmyvaccine.nz.
Wātea. First with your Māori news. Visit the website wāteanews.com.
Ki te riki NRL kua puta ngā whakamārama me ngā mānukanuka a te kapatamatoa mō te kino o te mate kōwhiori e whakararu nei i a rātou me ngā whakaritenga a te kapa. E pāna ki te whakataitai NRL ka timata hei te marama o maihe. Hei tā Nathan Brown, pauako matua o ngā tamatoa, kua koni atu i te haurua o rātou i pā, kua pēhia rānei ki ngā tohu māwiwi o te mate kōwhiori, ka mutu he tino kino te horapa haere o te ngārara nei ki etahi atu o ngā karapu NRL anō hoki. Hei tā Brown anō e kore e taia te pēhea atu i te whai ngā tohu a ngā mātanga hauora,
He oi anō ka koke tonu I ngā piere nuku o te wā kia puta e rātou ki te whai ao ki te ao mārama. A ka te ake rā e hika mākua ea e nei pūrongo kōrero a wātea mō tēnei haora, ko Lady Pokai tēnei, kia ora.
Nā no reire te motu, mā wātea, mā te reo, e whakamārama.
He mea tautoko nā te manga.
Ai pāho.
Timi tō te rohe.
If it's 4 months since your second shot, it's now time to get your free booster. Getting a booster is the best way to protect you and your whānau from COVID-19 variants like Omicron. So book your booster today at bookmyvaccine.nz.
Kei te ua ngā āhuatanga mōu I tēnei wā, me he mea e noho taumaha ana koe, koe puta mai e te hinama ohorere rānei, ka taia pia e te hiranga tangata te āwhina koe, ahakoa kei te mahi koe. Whakamahia te ara tohu ipurangi o te hiranga tangata kia kite ai koe, hea ia ngā ara tautoko e wāte ana ki a koe me tō whānau. Kia kite he aha pia ka riro mai mō, haere ki check.msd.govt.nz.
Under the COVID-19 traffic light system, some workplaces and roles will require vaccination. To help employers and employees work together to make this happen, there's also been some updates to employment law. For example, employers should provide employees with reasonable time off so they can get vaccinated to help keep everyone safe. For more information and other updates on vaccination and the workplace, please visit employment.govt.nz. That's employment.govt.nz.
Parents and caregivers can now get their 5 to 11-year-olds immunised against COVID-19. Find out more at bookmyvaccine.nz. or call the COVID Vaccination Healthline on 0800 28 29 26.
Iwa Tacoma, Iwa Iro Ono ki whangarei. It's Ngati Hine FM.
Yes, that's right. Whānau, it is Ngati Hine FM. We were just talking like holiday movies and all of that. And there's a movie that, you can't talk holiday movies and just new, whānau movies without talking about Encanto.
That's right.
Hey, that's a banger.
Encanto. If you don't know what it is, go check out Disney Plus channel.
Yeah.
If you haven't got that, go find a whānau member that does.
Or just, one of those sneaky F-dot movies.
I love the fact that they go up and they get their own power.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like, you could be anything. And then there's a big strong lady. And then there's the flower girl.
Yeah, so it's like a whānau of
blessed
whānau with powers.
Yeah.
And one of them thinks she doesn't have the power.
Yeah.
But she's like the power.
But
She's the power of all of them.
Yeah, she's what's keeping the whānau together. She's
Yeah.
the glue. But so if you haven't seen Encanto whānau, it's another reminiscent of movies like Coco and Moana, just cultural can hāngai to it.
Representation.
Yeah.
You actually can relate.
Yeah, for sure.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I got really sad though when the old Kuya was talking about her past. And I was like,
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I love the movie. There's
We
this
don't talk about Bruno.
Yes.
No.
my Tio Bruno. We don't talk about Bruno.
I feel
They
sorry
see
for
his
him too.
future.
I've
One
only
day
watched
he
it once.
disappeared.
Oh, you know
And
the
they
words
down to
already?
the Hawke's Bay, they Paki, they were blasting it like every day.
That's a
But I
jam.
can no doubt the Ruka household will be
The
doing
Ruka
it all
house
day.
has been because
Thanks to Phoenix.
and also my kids like it too, but it's mostly us. But it's a real good movie. So if you haven't seen it, go watch it because it's cool, whānau movie. Someone made a real good point about how there's no villains in it.
Oh, yeah,
Usually there's a good guy and there's a bad guy and they're fighting each other, but there's no actual villains in it. There's just family trauma that the family
It's
deals
actually
with.
good, eh? It's
Yeah.
like hashtag mental health.
Yeah, exactly.
Health awareness.
Exactly. It's like
Right.
generational trauma and they deal with it.
I
So
just
it's a
realised it now too. There's no villain.
There's no
Actual
villain.
person, no villain.
Yeah,
And
Buzzy,
you're
eh?
more than just your Catholic.
That's right.
Yeah,
Buzzy.
you are
Right.
more than just your fame, Luke.
you.
Yeah.
You are more than just your 2 legs.
Yeah, 1.5. That
Yeah,
reminds me
so-
of that scene on Sione's wedding in the elevator. He's like, I'm not just a dick. I'm a dick with feelings.
Who was that? Sefa?
Nah.
Bolo.
It
Bolo.
was Robbie Mangasiva.
Ah, yes.
Rest easy, Sue.
No,
No,
he's still
that's
alive.
poor.
That's poor. Rest easy, Sue.
All the whānau members up in here.
Oh man, Carl had to Scotty into oh no, not Scotty, Howard and Robbie
and Pua.
Oh man, I'm so confused. Anyway, let's move along.
But look, we put them
Let's
into
not talk about Bruno.
our morning. Let's not talk about Bruno, but do go check out Encanto. Disney's
Go
latest.
check it out. That's a banger. Good music, good vibes, good songs.
We're going to throw it back to you, Mr. Weatherman, just to give them an update. Although I feel like it was only 2 minutes ago.
Yeah, it was only just a heck, man.
I thought it was just in your like.
I know. Right, it's
daily
currently
routine.
it's gone up. It's gone up a whole 1.2 degrees.
Wow.
It's currently
See?
18.9
Updated.
degrees here in Te Whangaore Pai Kohi Kutai. 18.9 degrees. It's a high of 28 degrees here in Whangarei, a high of 29 degrees in Auckland, Tamakima COVID. And the Tamakima COVID is just, she's rolling on it. It's a high of 28 degrees, as I said, but it's 90 degrees, 90% humidity, which means it's what? It is moist. She is wet.
Yes.
And sunset is 8:41 p.m. tonight.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Sunset and sun and moonrise.
Yes, sunset and moonrise. You
All
should be
that
able to
balance,
observe them in the sky at the time, which leads us into our next segment, Sexy Maramata.
Yura.
Tēnā no tātou. Ai, kua hoki tātou ki tō koutou. Tino wahanga e kia ni ko Sexy Maramataka. I mōhio ke koutou. I kōrero atu ahau kia hina. I pātai atu ki aia. Hea te wahanga o te marama I te pōne. I mea mai kia ko ōturu. Te wahanga o tēnei marama. I was like, oh, true. How do you know? How would I know that it's all to do? And then she was like, well, you should be able to see the sun set and the moon rise in the sky at the same time. Koina, te tohu, o oturu. He rā pai ki te whakatō kai. He rā pai ki te hii. Oturu. Oturu. Not to be confused with Raku Nui.
Okay.
Really
Because they sound so similar. Crack up. All right, Eti, we are next. Very shortly, we're going to check out topical news.
Yes.
What's the latest? And still to come, we've also got Iti Te Kupu, and Mauna Koe, and a whole lot more. Rorera kia utonu mai. It's out e mana. Until 9. Ah, yeah.
Let's go. We got Bruno Mars and Anderson .Paak with Skate. Rorera kauhuri ki te hana ki ngati inete.
In a room full of dimes, you would be $100. If being fine was a crime, girl, they lock your little fine ass up in the tower. Then you move like you do. Ooh, it's like you do it for a living. Do a little spin, do it again. Look like you're playing for the win. Oh, baby. I'm trying to roll, I'm trying to ride. I'm trying to float, I'm trying to glide. No, don't be shy. Just take my hand and hold on tight. Oh, skate to me, baby. Skate. Slide your way on over. Slide your way on over. Oh, skate to me, baby. Skate. I wanna get to know ya. I wanna get to know ya. Come on. Oh my. Got your hair in the wind and your skin glistening. I can smell your sweet perfume. You smell better than a barbecue. A superstar is what you are. I'm your biggest fan. If you're looking for a man, sugar, here I am. I'm trying to roll. I'm trying to ride. I'm trying to roll with you, darling. I'm trying to float. I'm trying. Oh, no, don't be shy. Just take my hand. Girl, you got me saying, my, oh, my, oh, my, oh, my, oh, skate to me, baby. Skate, come on, slide your way on over. Slide your way on over. Skate to me, baby. Skate, I wanna get to know you. I wanna get to know you. Skate to me, my baby. Just slide your way on over. Slide your way on over. Skate to me, my baby. I wanna get to know you. I wanna get to know you.
Thursdays, 6 p.m. Tune in to Akina. Looking at the world through our eyes. Tuakiritanga. Who am I? Manaworoa. Bounce back ability. Banangatanga. Our relationship. Akina, 6 p.m. Thursdays on Ngāti Hine FM.
Ngāti Hine FM. Mai I te hurihanga o kāwharu ki te pēwhairangi.
Iwa te kaumā iwa iro ono ki Pangarei nei. Iwa te kaumā iwa ira tahi tua atu e huku. What was that you said, Masa? I didn't quite have the...
I said, hee. Nei mai hoki mai e te we have caught topical news.
Yes, I gotta play the song. Here we go. Boom. Sorry guys, blow you away.
Live in the studio, and shout out to Te Mata o Te Ao Maorini Kaipara, who's been anchoring the national news.
Oh,
But she has
Te
just,
tana moko kaua,
Yes.
she
ora.
has just gone trending all over the world. She was on E! News.
Yes.
E!
But you know, like, I just, you know, it's beautiful on one
love
hand,
it.
and then on the other hand, like in terms of the way the world takes it. So the world, like how they've been sharing it, it's like amazing, amazing, amazing. But then New Zealand, like in our own
It's just
country, in
like,
our
eh.
own comments, oh, bro.
Oh,
I
yeah,
know,
nah,
they slap.
don't dive into the comments.
I don't read, yeah.
Bro, allow it.
Do not allow it.
I don't allow it. But if you read the majority of the comments, though, are so positive.
That's good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's
And it's
good.
even it's from people who aren't from here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
well, I saw it the other week, and I was like, me here ka koe te mata o
She's
te ao Māori.
awesome.
Te tātou. Tātou.
Ah, she's
Oh,
koe.
no,
Yeah.
I'm not on there. It's,
Yeah,
it's you.
it's
Are
you.
just amazing. But I love the fact that the whole world is, well, in terms, I mean, E! News, if you
Yeah.
don't know E! News people, they only usually report on like the Kardashians,
Yeah,
Jennifer Aniston, Jennifer Lopez.
Nah.
And the other day they reported on Orini Kaipara,
Kaipara.
which I thought was so huge. And they even posted
Yeah.
it on their Instagram. And the next one after hers was Kim Kardashian. I
Kia
was
ora.
like, yes!
Yes.
O reira, yeah. Shout out to Orini Kaipara. E raukura o te ahora.
Ai.
Matua.
Ah,
Kia ora.
tātou.
I've got some breaking news, everybody. Breaking news right here in the studio. Tonga has erupted.
Tonga, yes.
Yes, but the breaking news 9 minutes ago is that Air Force flights from Australia and New Zealand can't go. They cannot leave yet. They
Okay,
were meant
'cause
to
they-
leave.
They don't know where to go to,
Correct.
eh?
There was reports yesterday on the news saying that they will be leaving this morning, early hours this morning. However, they are
Oh,
still
true.
grounded because the volcanic eruption, the air is still
Yeah,
in the air,
yeah.
and therefore the communication. So the breaking news is that they still haven't left yet, but Australia has come on board, standing by with New Zealand. They're poised to send surveillance flights to assess the damage in Tonga as soon as they get clearance from
Yeah, 'cause-
the communications because it's all lost.
Yeah, because we haven't.
Terrible.
So since the last,
Just
since the
terrible.
eruption, since the tsunami, and that, there's been quite a massive gap, a window of time where we haven't heard from them. Like
yeah.
we don't actually, us here now don't know the extent of the damage
No.
fully
Yeah.
because
Hence why they're waiting
yeah,
to
because
go.
of the comms breakdown and that. So that's
that's sad.
scary.
It is scary.
I'll be, you know, for whānau who are living anywhere outside of Tonga and aren't
Yeah.
able to contact their whānau and or can't see anything happening in the
Yeah.
news because of the oh
Did
man.
you see the
Yeah.
live report the
Kaora
other day
Hatsuki
when
anatu.
the lady was on her rooftop
Mm.
and she was doing a live video of watching the ocean, and then
Mm.
it just happens. The waves just come in because she was
Wow.
like, "Well, we're expecting it," and then it just happened. And you're like,
It
"Oh
just
my gosh,
happened.
it's happening!" Awful.
Wow. And the fact that they had just recently, like, what do you call it, made that volcano dormant. Like,
Yeah,
They said
Like
it's
said, it was
asleep.
a
dormant.
Yeah.
He's
And
like,
then,
"No way! I'm gonna
Kaore.
blow it out, blow."
Yeah.
Yeah.
Terrible.
Out of it.
And so we had
and
some...
all those tides. We were up in the Bay of Islands in the weekend, and you could see it was like there was surf. Surfers were in Paia. I've never seen that.
Excellent.
So that would have been because of that would have been the same sort of swells from Tonga, as well as there was the Tutukaka yachts. All the yachts out there crashed up against each other.
Yeah, there was a big surge. There was a big surge of water that caused like all those massive boats that are moored, that are on the mooring up at the Tutukaka Marina to like they're like some of them be written off, man. Like they're on top of each other on the land, upside down. Like it was, the extent of damage was massive. It was crazy. So a big surge of water that came up. Apparently it went like I can't remember the specific number, but it was like well above the high tide mark.
Wow. And just speaking about the New Zealand support going over, I know our cousin David Tapine Jr.
Oh,
he said he'd probably be called out to that, the Navy going over.
Good on him.
That's Petty Officer Tapine. Nah, I just gave that title. I don't know what
in other topical news around the world, you've got power when just by taking away power from someone else when you're the queen.
Okay, I thought we were talking about electrical power, but
sorry. We can still talk
no, go.
When you turn the plug on it,
I'm not sure if everyone's aware of what's happening with old Prince Andrew around the world with his the Jeffrey Epstein court case, and he tried to do a deal recently with the victim to sign a deal to say he will not be part of anything else if she takes it further. Well, a judge overrid that and said, no. You need to man up to what you're potentially part of. So he overrid it. And the Queen's come on board going, to her son going, you're on your own, Kaz. You are on your own. She put a poster on the royal family.
Said that to Harry too.
Yeah, pretty much. Later, Mo, give me your title back. So on the royal family Instagram, they released that she has stripped him of his military title and anything to do with any responsibility. He can't go to any public display of being part of the royal family. And then she stripped him of his Royal Highness title.
Oh, wow.
And she made it clear in the statement he will be part of this case as a private citizen. And I was like, well, that's a way to slap him in the face and say, off you go, piss off.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Hey.
The Queenie.
Yeah. I mean, it safeguards her. The Queenie.
Kia ora.
Yeah. I mean, she's probably a little bit nicer than that, but when you read it, you're like, oh, it says the Queen, stripped him of this title, that title, and took away his Royal Highness title.
Do you reckon she actually is like the one that makes those calls, or there's like a committee of people who make those calls for her?
Yeah. She's probably been advised to say, you need to do this, otherwise it looks bad on your behalf.
It's about Hekuya.
Oh,
he went to Koma something.
It's like, and it's her 70th year this year on the throne. The longest in history. If you know her story before you judge, because that she wasn't supposed to be the queen, and she had to take on invested a whole lot of BS.
She wasn't supposed to be the queen, but 10 of the original people in front of her died mysteriously.
In the same year.
That's the breaking news. So that's the
news.
Yeah. So arohatu to our whānau over in Tonga at the moment. All our thoughts and prayers are with your whānau, and all our Tongan whānau here in the community, because I know they'll be stressing. So the Tongan community, arohatu ki ara.
Ofatu. Also, Spark. I know you can't contact Tonga at the moment, but they put out a message saying when they do, all the fees and everything is all free.
Oh,
mobile, landline. You can call.
That is awesome. Isn't that cool? We just get behind things straight away and just help your brother and sister out.
And then when the phone line's up, it's off.
They charge you extra money.
No, we didn't mean free. We meant free in the meantime. You racked up a big bill though.
You went over the 3 minutes.
That's our topical news anyway, whānau, for the morning. Ina nei kua huki tātou ki te mito o te rohi. We have reggae music from 1814. No reira, kaui huri ki te hana kia whānau. Still more to come. We have your favourite segments still to come. Iti te kupu. No reira whānau, you know where it's at. E are e mara, Ngāti Hine FM.
When I think of reggae music, I think of hot summer days.
sitting at the beach as I'm riding the furious waves. When I think of reggae music, I think of red, gold, and green. Jamaican people with dreadlocks, Bob Marley, Natty Dread. Reggae music, it's in my heart. Reggae music, it's in my soul. Reggae music, it's in my heart. Reggae music, it's in my soul. When I think of reggae music, I think of Irie in the air. People enjoying themselves and dancing without a care. When I think of reggae music, I think of you and me. And that's when we are together listening to the melody. Reggae music, it's in my heart. Reggae music, it's in my soul. Reggae music, it's in my heart. Reggae music, it's in my soul. We love reggae music every night, every day. We love the reggae music as we dance the night away. Reggae music, reggae music. I said reggae music. Reggae music. Reggae music.
Ngā marae o te kāinga, a place I like to call home.
Te Aroha
is a marae situated in the area of Parakau in the valley of Mangakahia. It was named Te Aroha because of all the blessings of the iwi. It was erected in honor of the Love Gets people. This whare has to the strong sub-tribes of Ngāti Te Rino.
Te Aroha.
Ngā marae o te kāinga, a place I like to call home.
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.
Pāho.
Iwa te kaumā, iwa ira ono ki whangareina, iwa te kaumā, iwa ira tahi, ira tahi tuatu I hikurangi morena I te iwi.
Kia.
Tati.
You had more to add to the topical news?
Oh, yes. Well, I can't confirm it, though. But I'm pretty confident.
That's the ERA, by the way. News that you can't confirm yet.
I can't confirm this, but I'm pretty sure today the Prime Minister is announcing if Northland goes to Orange.
So
she said the 17th.
So what is some of the changes?
Well, it just means, actually, what is there's actually, we can have festivals, you can have bigger parties,
gatherings.
you can have big gatherings, you can pretty much do everything you're doing now, except people just doing it anyway.
I don't really know.
Well, we went out on New Year's Eve. Oh, no, New Year's Eve.
Yes.
In Taupo. I don't get it. Vaccination passes. There was like so many people.
Are they checking? Were they checking?
Yeah, they were checking, but kanohine, like they've got lasers in their eyes.
Yeah, not swiping it.
Yeah.
No, because people are screenshotting other people's ones.
Yeah, there's a lot of that
fake.
going on.
Yeah.
But I mean, even if you did screenshot theirs, if I scanned in and you had a screenshot of mine, would you still get it? Or would they say, there's 2 maskies in the building?
I think it
Yeah.
would.
Would it?
I
Okay.
think so. If it was being
Surely,
scanned,
surely.
if it was being scanned, surely it would be like, hang on, 2 of those. Surely.
Yeah,
You'd
yeah,
assume
yeah.
so.
Or it should come up on the thing saying this has been. It should come up on the app going. This is already been
Yeah.
checked in. What are you
Yeah.
called? Like scanned in.
To be
Surely.
honest, I don't mind the scanning, but it's when they go, can I see your fax pass? And you pull it out and then they're like,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah.
Like it could be
What did you look
anything.
at? The barcode?
It
I
could
didn't know you're a
say-
barcode
Yeah.
reader.
Could say you're a dick.
Yeah.
yeah, you're
Just
in.
made up name. Like I could easily make one on Photoshop if that was the case. Like if they, if
Yeah.
it,
Actually, people probably do.
yeah, like if people were like,
People would have.
if you were like, bro, that place you went to, did they scan it or they looked at it? No, they just looked at it. Sweet.
Yeah.
You know.
Mm.
But
If
you know,
you're
I had a talk with some friends of mine in Aussie who recently had COVID.
Oh,
Yes.
yes.
Well, in Aussie now, it's like, who doesn't?
doesn't.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
right.
It's like
Crazy.
chicken pox party. It's all just catch it, get over with.
Yeah.
But yeah, I had to talk to them just to see how they were, and like they said it was real weird because they they lost taste and they lost smell, and they still. He said
Taste? They lost
yeah.
taste.
He said
Lost smell. Nah.
yeah. So he had a period of time. So the last thing he ate, like drunk before kind of he lost his taste was like a chicken laksa thing.
Oh wow.
So he junked that like a soupy type thing. And then for a while, that was like the last remaining taste in his mouth. And then so he couldn't taste anything and said so when he went to drink hot things, all he could taste was laksa. So he'd have like a coffee,
Yeah.
Oh.
but it would taste like his chicken
They have
laksa.
the last
Like,
thing.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh no.
And I was like, oh, Buzzy, that's a crack up one.
What if
He was
he had
yeah.
like chicken bone broth beforehand?
Yeah,
Did
yeah.
he?
Beef
Did
broth?
he? Were they vexed?
No.
Okay. But
Oh,
so
they
did
had
feel it?
one. They had one
Okay.
of
Ah.
the 2. They weren't quite finished yet.
I
I
think
think.
I know who
Have
this
they
is.
still got
Yeah.
it? Or
Yeah,
okay.
they still got the
Oh.
second one. You mean?
No. Still got the COVID.
Yeah, no, they still got it. So they had the first one, but not the second one. Pretty sure is what he said. But yeah, so they got it. Yeah, and
Wow.
they said like there wasn't, they had a couple of shitty days, like
Yeah.
run down, chills, and they were,
Yeah.
like quite a severe flu. But then now they still have issues with taste and smell and the bits and
Out of
pieces here and
that.
there. Yeah, yeah.
Interesting, isn't it?
It is indeed.
Yeah,
It's
but
really-
it's like you said though, it is like that in Aussie. It's kind of like everyone's just accepted that eventually you're probably gonna get it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because the numbers are so high. Like in like
And for those who are really worried, like I feel sorry for them because
yeah.
you can't go anywhere
Yeah.
without getting it.
In New South Wales, they get
New
like
South Wales,
like
yeah.
30,000
Thousands.
30,000 daily.
day.
30,000 is just
Crazy.
crazy. Yeah.
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 Alrighty, T. We'll tell you what. We're gonna just make it a little bit more positive with
Yes.
Eti Te Kupu.
Yes.
A tēnei wahanga i whakanuia nei te reo Māori no reira. Whakarago mai. Eti Te Kupu. Yeah.
I'm Jennifer Coolidge.
That's fantastic.
Kia ora.
Oh, it's great to hear it.
Okay. Of course, kupu whakarite is your metaphor or simile. And today,
Yes.
it is, well, what is it? Okay, it is Manu Fititua.
Oh, I like. Oh, that's a bit hot.
Manu Fititua.
Manu Fititua.
Manu Fititua. So like
Fititua.
Manu
Taste kupu.
Fiti. What's a
oh
bird?
Fititua.
Yeah.
Fiti. So it's
Fiti Te Kupu.
Yeah.
Manu Fiti. Oh, it's a flickery, like a little bird, a little flittery bird.
Yeah, no.
Bird flitty. Manu Fiti.
Fititua. Is it
Yeah, it hasn't
Fiti-
really got the breakdown of the bird, but it's
Spark.
Manu Fititua.
like
yeah.
Fititua like Kitua? Like
Yeah, I reckon.
Fiti Kitua?
Yes, so if it was Fiti Kitua, what would that look like or
It would
represent?
look like
Fucker Fiti cordial. Crossover.
Or what
or
would
like
that
into
mean?
the beyond or like past, like beyond,
I
like
like where you're
so they're
going.
like
that.
to infinity and
Beyond.
beyond.
Yes.
That's what
Now
I'm
say
getting.
it like Buzz Lightyear.
Yeah. To infinity and beyond.
I was gonna give it so much car, but it's actually
Yeah, no, it's like that. He don't
Could
yell
you
it.
just
Yeah.
yell one more
To-
time?
Oh, I don't know if
Just
I can.
one more. That was
reach for the sky. That's
We're going to cross line to Buzz Lightyear.
To infinity and beyond.
Oh,
Another fucking
I'm so impressed. Oh, you made
on a tangent, way off on a tangent. It's our way.
Can you say
what toy would you be from Toy Story?
not.
I'd want to
Woody
be
or
Zurg,
not- Which one's that one?
the bad guy.
Oh,
Emperor Zurg. No, because he got the shooty head.
I want to be the little. I don't know. The dog is the springy dog.
Yeah.
Oh,
Always
I
my
like the
fave.
springy
He's
dog.
always cute.
I like the dinosaur.
Oh, the dinosaur.
Yeah,
yes. And Mr. Potato Head's always a
Yeah.
goer.
Yeah.
But
Do you know?
I feel like I'm Mr. Potato Head and you're the one.
Yeah, pretty much.
I so am.
Yeah. Do you know
They're
that?
sad, though, Toy Story movies.
So yeah, they do. You know the third one.
Yes.
The third Toy Story movie, or maybe it was the fourth one, whatever the most recent one was. The guy who voiced Potato Head's voice passed away before he had recorded any dialogue for the third one. So what they did was they compiled kind of everything from everything he had done in the past, and they made the movie using all of that stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a good fun fact.
Yeah.
And we're digressing again.
Don Rickles, is his name? Don Rickles?
I don't know, but it's always sad. Toy Story. Every ending is like,
I know. They're like,
and the
no,
last one
it's
is
about to-
real.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. I know. It's sad.
it's
a good movie.
Sorry, Manu Fititua.
Manu, oh yeah, that's
We
right.
digress.
Manu Fititu, like
Manu
yeah,
Fititu.
so Fititu, like
Yeah.
to
You're
cross
on the-
that's like Kitua. That's all I'm getting. Manu Kitua, like it's like a Manu flying above and beyond.
Oh, I like that.
I like the Whakaaro, and it sort of touches base with it a little bit.
Engariba.
And
Ka.
there's not really much of a deep meaning or like what do you call it?
It's like it's a bird with big wings.
Well, it's not really deep as in there's no explanation. It's just got the
Oh, right.
translation, which is the tribal oracle.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, pertains to the prophetic and important leaders, and possibly those who could see too.
Yeah. See, yeah. Fititua.
I like that. That's good.
Still with that Whakaaro.
Yeah. So they can see beyond.
This is my
So it's not like a
consultancy.
it's not like a
Manu
physical
Fititua
like go
Limited.
beyond.
Yeah.
They can see beyond what's in front of them.
Manu
Yes.
Fititua Enterprise.
So
Ooh.
Manu Fititua, someone that can see beyond, and in a Buzz Lightyear
Yeah.
voice.
Manu Fititua.
To infinity and beyond.
Oh, I love the Finity.
Yeah. To infinity.
Ah.
Yeah.
If Toy Story goes Māori, you're Buzz.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
We're
Kitua.
Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head.
Yeah. Hey, when do you
We're in.
when
I
do
reckon
you hear
you
back?
could be the dinosaur too.
Oh, we have to do it.
When do you hear
I
back
don't
about
know.
Lion
I've
King?
heard from them.
You have?
To say they've received,
received
it.
it.
And then
Alright.
I got a message from Mr. Ruha to say,
He's received
you've
it.
received it. And big Paki, big fingers crossed were around. I was like, oh,
Oh, cool.
But I
'cause,
don't know.
Bro, it was so good. Like,
It's so
oh, thank
like,
you.
if not to get the part, you definitely should be getting another look in.
Oh, thank
like
yeah,
they should
yeah.
be looking
At least
again.
a callback. Yeah.
Yes.
Exactly.
But I haven't heard anything more.
For
so
Sky Tiwi.
they've definitely received the audition, which is good.
Cool. That's
Yeah,
cool.
so thank you.
And Sky, just
Finity.
listening to you and actually watching him in the musical and like channeling him.
Yeah.
Kei te tika koe ko Sky,
Thank you.
te
Yeah.
ankara takatapui o Simba.
Yeah, actual.
He is. The issue with Scar is he just hasn't come out.
Yeah.
That's his
That's
issue.
why he's
Yeah.
so grumpy all the
It's not
time.
about the title ship.
He's like
Just
looking around,
wants-
he's like, there's only one other male. And it's my brother.
Yeah.
That's why I'm mad all the time.
Yeah. And then I a lot of my time.
Yeah, Hariati Sarabi.
Yeah.
He's
Tarawi.
he just needs to come out.
Yeah, that's funny.
Right, it's
Allow
it.
Ankara Takatapui.
Manu Fititua.
That's a goer. I
yeah.
like that.
Kia ora. E kia o kia no tātou ki te mita o te rohe, speaking about
speaking
the
of,
man himself.
yeah. Speaking of Rob Ruha, we have holiday coming up. Fun. So keep
It's
it
over,
locked.
Tiwi. Get
Keep
back
it
to work.
locked. Yeah. Yeah, no more holidays. We're back at work. But let's listen to the song and reminisce. Nō reira, kaua huri ki te ana kia whanau ngā TNFM FM. This is a banger.
Gonna take that one back, only you, me, riding on the backseat, only to this holiday. this that's still the summer. Caught me red-handed, but baby can't touch me enough. All that I do is for you, and you know that that's love. All your authority, baby, I got my hands up. Guilty, I got feelings for you. There's just one thing I gotta do. Mama, take that one that only you be holiday. Riding on the backseat only to this holiday. Gonna take that one that only you be holiday. Riding on the backseat only to this holiday. No telephone, so no need to go home. Girl, that's us, girl. That's us, girl. Birds make foods, babe. There's no shame in living it up, girl. Living it up. Ooh, that I do is for you, and you know that that's love. All your authority, baby, I got my hands up, my hands up. Guilty, I got feelings for you. There's just one thing I can do. That one that only you be holiday. Riding on the backseat, rolling through this holiday. Gonna take that one that only you be holiday. Riding on the backseat, rolling to this holiday. Holiday, live it up, live it up. Holiday, 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 riding on the backseat, only the party. Gonna take that one that only you be holiday. Holiday, riding on the backseat, only the party. Holiday, yeah.
Ngāti Hine FM. Tau mārere here here I te riri.
Mai te huruhanga o ka wharu ki te peo whairangi me tahi pētitanga ki te hokianga. Miti whānui. Eara e mara Ngāti Hine FM. Mōrena e te iwi.
Morena!
Yes, morning to you. It's our first morning back live on Facebook, you know, live on the line. So it's good to see all your comments coming back through and just, you know, having a little, like it seems a little bit like kanohi. I know it's not, but it feels that way. I'll even have a viewer on
you can
on the
see
Yeesh.
our kanohi, and that's enough.
And that is more.
And like if there was such a thing as like smell-o-vision, you'd be able to smell the kawa beard oil.
Yes.
My beard right now, yeah.
And I can
Smells
say like just you're not really scratching or anything.
Yeah. Because I think beards give you quite dry skin, so beard oil, keep it nice and lush.
Yes, so for those of you who have beards out there.
Yeah.
I
Kia ora. I'm
have
looking at
used
you.
some beard oil before.
Kia ora.
Yeah, and
It's
then
nice.
but sometimes you look so shiny. It's like, oh, it's so shiny.
Yeah, yeah,
Shiny.
yeah. It
Have you
always is
tried to
shiny.
straighten it?
No,
That'd be funny though.
It
We
would be
should.
funny to be like John here. Oh, you're
Right.
funny, Marcia.
O ko tautau ki tēnei wāhanga makau aku. It is e mea ana koe. E mea ana koe.
Ai, tono. Back to Mako.
Makau, favourite.
Ah, that's right.
Makona has more
well,
mer.
well, I'm Mako first. I'm not actually not
nice.
'cause I've used them more. I don't have
That's
any more.
great.
Okay. My first one. No, I was like, wow, when I heard about this. The planet Pluto was discovered on February the 18th, 1930. It's the farthest or the furthest planet from the sun, requiring it to go much further. They say farther, we say further distance than we're used to on Earth. So, for one rotation of the planet Pluto, it takes 248 Earth years for the planet Pluto to do one spin.
And that's the smallest.
Wow.
It's the smallest, I think. Yeah. Yes, it's the smallest.
Is it
one.
still a planet?
Nah, I don't think so.
And then
That's why it takes so long, because it doesn't exist.
so it takes 248 years for the planet Pluto to do one rotation around the sun. That means it puts Pluto's first birthday
because it's
on
furthest away.
Monday, March the 23rd, 2178, the year 2178. That's its first birthday of being discovered.
That's crazy.
Imagine, like,
I just always imagine the planets in one straight line, and there's Pluto at the end there.
But imagine doing it, just turning on your seat, but it takes you 248 years to turn your whole seat around.
Have you seen that? Have you seen
That's
the
ridiculous.
there's an animation going around about like because you picture that the Earth is sitting still, and then and then there's planets moving around it. But we're actually moving through space at like thousands of
Yeah, it's
kilometers
weird,
per,
eh?
thousands. We're hooning through space, and like we're pretty much a rocket. And those things are circling around us as we travel. And so
find
there's
it
an animation
strange.
going around like this is what you think it looks like. This is actually what's happening, and it's literally we're a rocket and there's planets circling us. It's crazy.
It is
Crazy.
I seen recently they took a picture. They took like from the Hubble telescope. They left the lens open for months because light travels. Light takes time to travel. So they left the shutter open for months, like weeks, days, months. To let as much light in as possible. So they pointed at what looks to be just a blank patch of sky. No stars, you can't see any planets. It just looks like a black patch of sky. And so if you were to hold a 50-cent piece out in front of your face, like kind of that's the size of the picture they took. Like that's what it looks like in the distance.
Wow.
Black patch. And they took a picture, they left the shutter open for months so as much light as possible could get in because it takes time for light to travel. And then what they found was in that small patch from that one photo, they found tens of thousands of other full galaxies just in that tiny little patch of sky from the Hubble telescope. So they had the Hubble take a photo, boom, was open for months, let the light travel in, and then they found like other, like tens of thousands of like not even planets, like galaxies. Tens of thousands of other galaxies in that
We are
little
not
small
alone.
photo. Nah, no way. We can't be.
There's a whole nother world up there with freaking
With other
Burj
breakfast
Khalifas
radio
every-
shows
Yeah.
talking about us.
Us, probably.
There's probably a straight
Hello.
Luke. Yeah. There's another planet and Luke straight. On it.
Oh, could you imagine me like
and you play League.
oh
Yeah.
And
it's
you're
also
you're
grey.
chippy. Yeah. And you play and he's like hates colors.
and I've got like 18 kids.
Yeah.
And a missus and a missus.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well,
And
it's
he
amazing.
Probably
Yeah, no.
hates Andy Crummer too.
I've just got random thoughts.
Yes.
iPhone chargers should be called apple juice.
Oh, I love that.
Apple juice.
That's really good.
We
you.
can call it that. You know, got any
Can you
apple
give me
juice?
apple juice?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so good.
You
that
know,
makes total sense.
I'm running low.
Yeah.
Got any apple juice? Yeah, I like it. Love it.
Love it. My next one. Oh, this is cute. In Germany, it is very common for people to help toads or frogs to cross the road. You might not want to bring up the popular video game Frogger, though, in Germany, because that's the game where they shoot the frogs on the road. Weird. They're not
Can't allow
protecting the
that 'cause
frogs,
I don't
Toad.
like frogs.
In order to save them from harm when crossing the street, conservationists installed more than 800 fences along popular roadways to get them across safely. Could you imagine?
Right.
Stop
That's
the
what they
traffic.
sound like.
Let's help the frog. The little
Yeah.
toad get across the road.
You'll
Stupid.
In fact, I've got more random
No,
thoughts.
you go.
Using your old computer to search a new device is like buying a PC or making your PC dig its own grave.
Pretty much.
Wow. That's hilarious. My last one?
Yes.
Sharks. Oh, no, sorry, cows. Cows kill more Americans each year than sharks do.
Yes. Yeah.
While sharks account for about 53 bites per year in America, only one of those ends up being fatal. However, cows use their hoof to kill around 20 people every year. They are not kind. Just eat them.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
that's so buzzy the way that like
We look at them
that
going, "Oh."
they cause like obviously way more deaths than sharks do. But you would love to get like if you see a cow, you're like, hey cow, what's up?
Yeah, let's go talk to the cow.
Yeah,
I'm
but-
not scared of a cow.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Well, probably wouldn't be
Oh.
hugging it, but it causes way more deaths than sharks. Yet we're scared of sharks, but
Yeah.
not cows.
And they cause death by kicking you.
The
Yeah.
hoof, you like kick them in the face.
Oh, so they
Move on!
they're killing like people that are trying to milk them.
Yeah, all of that
Probably,
stuff.
They're like,
why
don't touch my titties.
Whoa! Buy me dinner first.
Piping dinner. You are dinner. Give me dinner.
No wonder they kick them.
Yeah.
Oh, it's quite sad for cows. Look at them and go, what an existence. They don't get to live in the wild like horses do. They don't get to be like a
Ah, there
boar
was a
pig.
cow fact.
The cow's just like...
I got a random dog fact. I know it's not
Okay.
the same, but did you know that every single species of dog comes from the one ancestor, which was a wolf?
Oh.
That's buzzy,
Yeah,
eh?
it is buzzy.
So
That's a
literally,
two-part-
yeah. So it's like the rahiri of dogs.
That's cool.
Because if you don't come from the wolf, you come from a horse.
Yeah, exactly. So, so it started off. So there was only wolves. Wolves was the
Okay.
only
That's
dog.
gangsta.
Yeah, was the only dog. Wild wolves. But then during the the early human stages, humans would leave their scraps around, their food around, and then so those wolves would eat their scraps, and then eventually became like a domesticated version of a
Wow.
wolf. And then, like, as their breeds came off, like, they'd have slightly softer ears or slightly like
Yeah.
like smaller features because they didn't need to hunt as often. They didn't need to do all of those things, and then everything has
That
just
is
come off of
out
that.
of it. So this little chihuahua over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, who
Well,
might eat a wolf.
Yeah, who might wolf. But they all eventually, like, humans came along and then they got crossbred with other, different types of
Humans.
dogs, different wolves, different other wolves from the world, and then you got, like
Then
other
you've got
things. And then they
Dog
created
kind.
Yeah. And then they created dogs for specific tasks, like
Oh, yes.
like Rottweilers were originally used for bear hunting. And they were like
Wow.
ginormous. Rottweilers
Going
were like,
on a
they're
bear
big
hunt.
now. They were like twice the size.
They were like,
or sharp, like razor sharp teeth because they were
Yeah.
used for bear hunting and things like that. Crazy.
that
That's
is
amazing.
very
Yeah.
cool.
I just
Goody
wanted a little
facts.
side note. Have you seen the new Scream movie?
No.
Nah.
Have you
haven't
seen
seen
any
the
of the
old one.
Scream movies?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, I have.
So
It's the
any advice out there for people?
Scream mask. Is that still in the
Yes,
movies?
yes.
Right.
But if you're going to see the new Scream movie, you need to watch the first one, all of them first to get what this one's about, because otherwjust you'll be so lost.
Oh, yeah.
Just
I
some
can
advice.
see you. Do the voice.
Hello, Sydney.
Yeah,
no.
there it is.
No, it goes, what's up?
Anyway, I thought I'd just share that with you.
Anyway, finally, we are coming to the end of our show. It was,
Great day back.
that wasn't me.
Right. Our day, Butters, back in here. We catch us tomorrow from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Mai Amato mo tēnei wā.
Janifa, let's go.
Our day, Butter.
Going out on a bang.
Hey.
Good to see you, finally. See you tomorrow.
If it's
Ngā
4
Tēnei
months
FM.
since your second shot, it's now time to get your free booster. Getting a booster is the best way to protect you and your whānau from COVID-19 variants like Omicron. So book your booster today at bookmyvaccine.nz.
Wananga.ac.nz.
Want to take a learning journey on your marae? Te Whare Wānanga o Awanui Arangi offers marae-centred programs, bringing learning to you, your whānau and hapu, ensuring knowledge is shared from one generation to the next. Awanui Arangi, rukuhia te mātauranga. Study with us.
Wananga.ac.nz.
We are navigating a lot of changes here in Te Tai Tokerau, and for some of us, our lives are much busier these days, and it shows on the roads. So Waka Kotahi is reviewing the riskiest speed limits in Aotearoa. Around 600 people are killed or seriously injured in speed-related crashes on our roads in Aotearoa each year. Let's aim for zero, with Waka Kotahi committed to keeping us safe. Go to www.nzta.govt.nz to find out more and take care on the roads.
If it's 4 months since your second shot, it's now time to get your free booster. Getting a booster is the best way to protect you and your whānau from COVID-19 variants like Omicron. So book your booster today at bookmyvaccine.nz.
E aku nui, e aku rahi, huri noa I te motu, tēnā koutou